On this week's edition of Small and Pretty Powerful. What we're looking at here today is a Monte Carlo Colony 2 ceiling fan. It's 28 inches in diameter and it uses a 153 millimeter motor with looks like about a 20 degree blade pitch. The Colony 2 is one of Monte Carlo's smaller fan offerings, and it came in a, I'd probably say about 4 or 5 finishes. They came in black, white, brushed nickel, oil rub bronze, and I forget the other one they came in. I think there was 5. There may have been just 4. But yeah, this one here uses a 153 millimeter motor. I think it's by like 10 or 12. And I believe this one is manufactured by Halsey, as it kind of looks similar in some ways to a Gulf Coast mini breeze, as it kind of uses the same blades and kind of similar blade arms and about the same size. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the fan. Obviously it's in the white finish, and there's the Monte Carlo engraving on the side of the housing, and then the information sticker up here, which this fan does date to 2010. So it's a fairly modern ceiling fan, as well as the Monte Carlo Aero script full chain. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start this fan on low. So this fan right here came from my local restore. I bought this last October or something like that. I paid like 25 bucks for this thing. Kind of overpaid for it, but it was kind of cool because of the fact I was been morbidly curious about these to even begin with. But the low speed's pretty good. Like, these fans are perfect for like small spaces like bathrooms, closets, anywhere you need a small fan. These are it. Anyways, now we're gonna go ahead and crank this thing to medium and see what this does. And just on medium alone, I can feel a breeze off this little thing. I can definitely tell you Monte Carlo did good with this one, as this thing is like a little rocket. Now we're gonna go to high speed. And man, this thing takes off. Like, for a modern style ceiling fan, these things haul ass. Like, I'm actually impressed on how fast this thing goes. Like, it's insane on how fast this thing is actually going right now. Like, the camera doesn't even do it justice. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and do spin down. And there you folks have it. This is the 28-inch Monte Carlo Colony 2 ceiling fan. This is Ginger Fan Studios here. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to the channel. Y'all have a great day and take care.